Say goodbye to manual typing and hello to increased productivity. Well, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to extract text from an image quickly and accurately. Well, I have my sample image file from this book, Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill, and it is on page 75. So if you have this book, open page 75. I have gotten an image from here. So I'm going to show you how you're able to extract text from this. Well, this is my image file I'm going to use. It's from the book of Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. So the first step, what you do, you have to sign into your Gmail account. And once you sign into your email account, you go right here, you click on Google Apps. Then under Google Apps, you click on Drive. When you click on Drive, it's going to display this interface. So you have to come here and you select My Drive. So after selecting My Drive, you have to place the files here. So I'm going to drag the image. I just drag, it is just simple. You drag the image. So once the image is uploaded, you see here that upload complete. So now you go ahead and you right click on the image, and you click on Google Docs. So when you click on Google Docs, now magic begins. So now you're going to see that our image, this is our image app, and when you scroll down, you're going to see that our text has been extracted. What a marvelous and good thing Google Docs has. So this is my text. So this text I can edit if I want, I can copy. So the first paragraph, it will show the image. This is the image in return for this money. Then when I come to my text, in return for this money. So that's how you're able to copy text from an image without using any software.